Hello viewers, today I will teach you about exercise number C, which of the language portion. This is about the number 1 C1 is change the sentences into the plural form. It means there is an example which is given to you in this box. You can see here in the rectangular form, a bookseller sells books. This is the sentence as a question, and the answer is booksellers sell books. This is the example number 1 for this exercise. The second is a fireman puts out fires. The answer is firemen put out fires. So how this the sentence is converting into the plural form by changing the certain things which you can understand by this. A shows the word which is used for the singular form, and here the a is removed from this. It shows the plural form, and by adding the s here as well as here you can see booksellers. The second change is he sells. This is the third person singular and present simple tense, so we have to use here s, and I will give you the link in the description also. You can check it. So here the if the plural form here, so we don't have to use here as form of verb which is converted into sell. The second here, the plural form of fireman man is converted into men, and a is removed because it's become plural, and the verb form which is s form puts change into put. So this is the exercise. So this is very simple exercise. Now the number 1 is a butcher sells meat. So what will be the answer? You what do you think about it? So the answer will be here butchers sell meat. So the changes here you can see here in this, the a butcher is converted into butchers and sells change into sell meat. Now for the second one, a cook cooks food. So what will be the answer? It will change into cooks cook food. You can see here cooks cook food. The next is, you can see a tailor makes cloth. So what will be the answer? Tailors make cloths. You can see here tailors makes cloth, make cloths, as it should be removed here. Now the next is a fisherman man catches fish. So what will be the answer? Fisherman, here the men should be used to change into plural form. It shows the more than one man. Fishermen catch fish. The next question is a postman man delivers letters. So what will be the answer? A post men. This is a plural form. I will show the questions again to you. You can see here. A postman delivers letter. A pilot flies an airplane. A student goes to school. A mechanic looks after engine. So the answer should be, you can see here, fishermen men catch fishes. Here es is removed here. A postman change into postman men delivered, as is removed here, letters. A pilot change into pilots, and flies may change into fly. It's a first form of verb, and fly airplanes. A students change to students, goes change into go to school. A mechanic change into mechanics, looks after change into look after engine. So this is the exercise part 1 of C. Now the part 2 of C exercises. You can see the question first. Change the sentences into the singular form. It is the opposite form or inverse form of the exercise C1. So same wise we have to do in a inverse way or the opposite way. Authors write books, change into an author writes book. Example number 2. Dentists look after our teeth. Our dentist looks after our teeth. So this is the example of B. Now the questions. Bakers bake bread. So what will be the answer? A baker bakes bread. Now you can check the answer also. A baker bakes bread. Now, the question number 2 is teachers teach children. So, what will be the answer? A teacher teaches children. Typist type letters. Fruit sellers sell fruit. So, this is very simple. So, answer will be like this. You can see a teacher teaches children, a typist types letters. So the typist become a typist and type change into types. Letter fruit sellers change into a fruit seller and sell change into sells fruit. Clerks change into a clerk. Work change into works in an office. Nurses change into a nurse. Work change into works. Carpenters change into a carpenter. Make change into makes things. Librarians change into a librarian. Look after change into looks after a library. So this is a very simple exercise.